Shahid, come down this one. He wants back to the van. He wants to go get the phone charger too.
Oh yeah, Mama, watch me on this side. Hey, Sajia, move.
Let Sajia go.
Hey, it's too many people. Get in.
Hey, you have fun? Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Shai, y'all is too big. Get off. Let Sajia go in. Look at her. Sajia, go back. Sajia, go back on.
Nobody there. Let me teach you.
Let her go up by herself. Come on, Sajia. Where's Sajia? Oh, I see them. Come on, let her go by herself. Come on, Sajia.
Mommy, you're getting one.
No, I'm way too big.
Move your behind. Bend my legs and they'll be like,
Here's that. Shai, put her sock on. Put her sock on. Sajia, let me know if you gotta go to the bathroom, okay? Go ahead. You want to go to the bounce house? Want to go over to that one?
No, it's gonna hole in there.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, you got to go in the hole and bounce.
It's gonna hole in there.
I know, but you got to go in there and bounce. You don't want to go in there? You don't want to go up this one by yourself? Hey. Sajia. Sajia. Sajia, you gotta go the other way. Sajia, come on, Sajia. Come on, go this way.